Welcome back to the channel. Today, we have something truly special for all you pet lovers and adventure seekers. If you've ever wanted a vehicle designed with both you and your furry friend in mind, the 2025 K9 Cruiser is here to revolutionize the way you travel with your canine companion. This is not just a car. It's an experience tailored for dog owners who want safety, comfort, and style, all in one package. Let's start with the exterior. The K9 Cruiser boasts a sleek, futuristic design with aerodynamic curves and a bold grille that demands attention. Available in a range of colors, from classic black to a vibrant electric blue, this vehicle ensures you stand out on the road. The LED headlights and taillights add a modern touch, while the 20-inch alloy wheels give it a commanding presence. It's a crossover SUV, blending rugged durability with a city-friendly design that fits any lifestyle. Now, the interior is where the magic really happens. The 2025 K9 Cruiser is engineered specifically with dogs in mind. The spacious cabin is fitted with anti-scratch, water-resistant upholstery to handle everything from muddy paws to unexpected spills. The rear seats have a special fold-flat design, creating an expansive cargo area perfect for large breeds or multiple dogs. It also includes a built-in, cushioned dog bed so your pet can travel in ultimate comfort. And let's not forget the ventilated pet compartment, which maintains an optimal temperature to keep your dog cool in the summer and warm in the winter. For added convenience, the K9 Cruiser is equipped with a built-in pet ramp that extends from the rear, allowing easy entry and exit for dogs of all sizes. No more lifting heavy dogs into the car. There are also dedicated leash anchors, ensuring your pet stays secure during the ride. The innovative dog view window lets your pet enjoy the scenery safely while you drive, reducing travel anxiety and keeping them entertained. Technology in this vehicle is state-of-the-art. The digital dashboard comes with a 15-inch touchscreen infotainment system compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. But what really sets it apart is the K9 mode, a dedicated pet safety feature. When activated, it regulates the interior temperature and provides a live video feed of your pet, accessible via your smartphone. There's also an in-car treat dispenser, allowing you to reward your dog while on the go. Voice-activated controls make it easy to adjust settings without taking your hands off the wheel, ensuring a safe driving experience. Safety is paramount, and the K9 Cruiser doesn't disappoint. It comes with advanced driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. For your pet, the vehicle includes crash-tested pet harness anchors, ensuring maximum security in case of sudden stops. The reinforced pet barrier between the rear seats and the cargo area adds an extra layer of protection. Under the hood, the 2025 K9 Cruiser offers an impressive powertrain. You have the option of a 2.5L turbocharged engine for those who love a bit of extra power, or a hybrid model for eco-conscious drivers looking to reduce their carbon footprint. With an all-wheel drive system, this SUV is built for all terrains, whether it's a trip to the park, a cross-country road trip, or a weekend in the mountains. For those looking for a more luxurious experience, the K9 Cruiser also comes in a premium trim with leather upholstery, heated and ventilated seats, and a panoramic sunroof. The surround sound system ensures that both you and your furry friend enjoy every ride to the fullest. The 2025 K9 Cruiser isn't just another SUV, it's a lifestyle upgrade for dog lovers. With its combination of cutting-edge technology, superior comfort, and innovative pet-friendly features, it sets a new benchmark for what a pet-friendly vehicle should be. Whether you're heading to the vet, the dog park, or on a grand adventure, this car ensures that both you and your best friend travel in style. Let us know in the comments what feature you're most excited about. Would you consider making the K9 Cruiser your next vehicle? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting car reviews and pet-friendly travel tips. See you in the next video.